Hello, welcome to dusk at the French house. You can probably see how high the grass has grown. It's almost impossible to walk around the garden now, but tomorrow this is all going to be cut back. I've got someone coming to cut the garden for me so I can walk around it again and try and keep it in some kind of shape. Another reason that I need to get the grass cut is because it's very difficult to peg out washing now. It trails into the grasses, which some of them are higher than me, so it definitely needs to be done. I hope next week to be able to clear out that shed as well. You might remember me telling you that the previous occupants left all of their furniture, and we're still finding things and we're still trying to get rid of things. None of it's usable. So once that's cleared out, that might make a nice space during the day that's in the shade to sit outside. You can hear me, but this is a great sight. Even got a new branch table. Foster has a little companion as well. This is Jack. He belongs to the people doing the gardening. He's 9 years old and he's really sweet. Thank you. Yeah, little sweetie. Go and find some shade, Jack. It's a hot day. What a sensible dog. That is a terrific sound, some 5 hours later, of the garden starting to look like a garden. It looks amazing. And it feels like we've got a garden. For the first time, it really does feel like a garden, not just an overgrown wilderness.